So guys, make I suffer use my nyash, okay? Make I use my nyash arrange my kitchen. So you just enjoy watching my nyash, okay? Hey, see nyash. Make I use nyash arrange everywhere. So yeah, the kitchen is a mess. So we try to arrange it and try to watch the dishes. Okay, that's my rice cooker. So that's my rice cooker. So I don't put them for there. I won't wash them. See my nyash. Just they look that nyash. But then I don't put peanuts for mats. I like peanuts. I like groundnuts. Okay, anything nuts. I'm so lucky that I don't break out. So yeah, we don't wash our plates. Yeah. So as you can see, yeah, they clean everywhere. Carry shopping boards, they see they check the nyash. Oh, just they check. Nyash na nyash oh, the nyash no be nyash oh, okay? Nyash get great. Like this my nyash now, hey. You see the nyash, you see the way it's set. Mm-hmm. I dey drink tea for there. Tea don dey cold. I tell remember say I put tea there. That's okay, mo wash the dishes. So here we dey wash dishes. As you see you just suffer, you just dey enjoy the nyash. Nyash na nyash, nothing na nyash na nyash. This is not nyash na nyash. Yeah, I don wash the rice cooker. I put them there. You see. So I just clean, just clean around. Yeah. Put my rubber inside my cupboard. And then I dey put my rubber to do things. But then there's make I throw away the dirty. Now I see some pot there. I shout, Jesus. So pot dey this corner there. So now I don't wash. I say, okay, let's just wash all these pots. Okay, we just wash all the washable before we go still use them cook. I say, you know what? Those pots wey just dey kitchen there. So we'll just wash them join. So everywhere we just clean. We know say we'll constantly check our nyash, take clean the stove later. Okay. So I just decided to pack up the leftover rice and the stew. So make I put them inside fridge. So I see they shake my nyash up and down. Okay. I see they shake the nyash up and down. I can't carry the rice. I took the rice inside the fridge and my leftover stew. So yeah, so that I would just come and wash all the pots and wash everything. So yeah, now they shake nyash up and down. I don't clean. I don't wash all the pots. Everything all clean already. So now we go